Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can delete a Google account. So now let's get going with the procedure. So to do this, just hop on Google like this and then you move to your account here, something like this, or you can search anything. If you don't find this, you can search anything on Google. You can do this on your mobile phone as well. So now let's come here to account and now let's manage our account here. So this is a new email I created for this tutorial, so I'll be deleting it in this tutorial so you get to know how things go. So now let's proceed. So now on this page we move to our data and privacy. Good. So on data and privacy, let's scroll down here. Scroll down here and then we have this option, delete your Google account. So now let's tap on it. Good. So please read this carefully. So they're saying if you delete your account, you're going to lose your YouTube channel, anything you have on this account, your passwords and everything. If you delete it, you're going to lose everything, and financial information as well. You're going to lose everything. So now let's proceed to deleting it. So now here we continue to tap on remove your account. In my case, I think this is a new email I just created. So I think they didn't ask me for a lot. So this is a new email, but if your email has a lot of information on it, they are going to give you another time. I think they give you up to 12 months or 6 months, or I think 3 months, one of them. And this is a grace period time. You would have to recover your account after that. If you don't recover your account after that, you'll delete your account. So you can see here, this is the only email signed in on this browser, and they are saying it's being deleted, it's being cancelled here. You can see here. So that's it for how you can delete or remove the Google account. So if you are new here, kindly do well to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Peace.